We are now on ground at Zurich Airport. We now choose Dubai International Airport for this demonstration video. We set the airplane at 4 nautical miles final, runway 30 right. Now we adjust the time of the approach to noon. Let's reposition the airplane about 12 nautical miles right of track, using runway 12 right. On heading mode, we can now arm navigation to line up on the ILS approach. Dubai Airport is now on our right-hand side. Let's do a reposition to the right-hand downwind of runway 12 right. Now at 3,000 feet, we see Dubai at our left and the airport at our right-hand side. We now want a new position, overhead the airport at cruising level. We are now approaching the coastline. The Palm Islands are at our right-hand side. Let's now choose an approach position, using the quick position approach icon. We want to fly the full arrival for runway 30 right, using the VUDEB 2 Charlie arrival. Using the plan view, we can check the routing and all restrictions, indicated as magenta numbers. Below the transition altitude, the altimeters must be changed to local QNH setting. The position menu gives us even more possibilities to quickly place our airplane. Let's slow the airplane along the FMS flight track to a position closer to the runway. Since the altitude is unchanged, we could now adjust the altitude to match the shorter remaining track miles. Note, a right mouse click on a cockpit panel will change the viewing position. Instead of moving the position along the flight track, we can also click on one navigation waypoint to reposition the airplane. Here we choose Velar as our new position. Stabilize the airplane and set the correct altitude and vertical speed. Enjoy the view to the east into the mountainous region. Finally, we advance our position to 4 nautical miles final, on runway 30 right. Flight deck will automatically set landing configuration. This means, gear down, flaps full down and both autopilots on. The FMA shows Category 3 Dual. This means that the airplane is ready for an auto land. Using the quick view icons on the left side, we can quickly change our viewing position within the cockpit. We increase the video speed now, to 3 times normal speed. Below 400 feet ground, the flight mode annunciator will change to land. Thank you for watching this demonstration video of FlightDeck Airbus 320.